Hi, I'm Lindsay from the Good Housekeeping Test Kitchen.
Hi, and I'm Sarah, also from the Good Housekeeping Test Kitchen.
Today we're going to make a Szechuan sticky toffee pudding. Sticky toffee
choice?
pudding, I'd say one of my favourite desserts.
It's a good dessert.
Definitely top 3. And we added a bit of Szechuan for a bit of a warmth, kind of heat. It's not spicy, just nice, isn't it? Let me show you what I'm going to do with them. I've got 4 teaspoons here. Give them a little smell.
Oh, I love that.
All you're going to do is grind them up. You want them to be quite fine. And these are going to soak with the dates and some bicarb. So Szechuan, so everybody knows how to make sticky toffee pudding,
Yeah.
I think. It's a classic. So I wanted to elevate a bit. And it's not spicy, it's not like chili heat, it's just warm, almost like a numbing, like it tingles your tongue a little bit. Okay, so we've said 4 teaspoons, which is probably about the right amount. If you have no tolerance for heat, you could definitely lower it a bit. So I'm just gonna pop them in with the dates, then a teaspoon of bicarb, and then I've got just boiled water.
Please shake them around.
Give it a little swirl and then just leave it, don't touch it. Give it about half an hour. Okay, batter, super simple. The usual elements of a sticky toffee pudding. I'm gonna beat my butter and sugar together.
Okay.
I've actually used salted butter for a little bit of extra flavour. And just beat until light and fluffy. Speed her up. I am adding a little bit of ginger to this because I think it kind of complements the spice.
Szechuan?
Yeah, really nicely. 2 eggs, 1 at a time. A little bit of flour in between so it doesn't curdle. You want to just combine this, don't overmix it.
Okay.
My secret ingredient is treacle in a squeezy bottle.
Amazing.
About 2 tablespoons. Just mix that in briefly, like so. And now we're going to fold in our remaining flour. Give that a quick fold. Don't forget the baking powder. There we go. Okay, so once that's combined, the last thing to go in is the dates. So you can use an immersion blender, blitz them up super smooth. Well, I'm not a perfectionist, so I just like to give them a mash.
Well, you just use what you've got to hand, don't you?
Just use what you've got to hand. I don't want to dirty any more dishes. To be fair though, they've soaked down pretty well.
Yeah, they don't need much at all,
You don't need much, but it's just a really satisfying, like, listen to that. Oh, made a mess. You're gonna pour this into your batter and then fold it all together. Look at that. We've got a buttered tin.
Which is my only contribution to the recipe so far.
And you turned the oven on.
I did, and I expertly buttered that tin.
Would you like to pour it?
Go on then.
All right.
See how I gave it a little extra stir there, just to make sure that you'd done that properly.
There's no trust here. In the oven, about 45 minutes at 160 fan. Show you my favourite part about this kitchen.
Ta-da!
Oh, look at her! And in the time it takes to cool, we're gonna make our sauce. Butter, just cubed, doesn't matter if it's cold.
To the pan.
Light brown soft sugar. Another teaspoon of ginger. And then another squeeze of black treacle.
Okay.
Okay, last step for our sauce, some delicious double cream. Pour it straight in. If you keep stirring, oh, look at that.
Oh, gorgeous.
I'm not ashamed to say that I could just drink that out of a mug.
No, absolutely.
Would you like to pour or shall I?
would like to pour.
Oh my goodness.
Oh, look at that.
Golden, glossy, and then some delicious vanilla ice cream. Don't use a spoon for this, use an ice cream scoop because it makes all the difference.
It does.
Go on, go on.
Go on. Oh, amazing.
There we go.
Oh my God, that looks so good.
Right, I want a little bit of everything first.
Too. Yep, every day, yes.
Cold ice cream, warm sauce, still warm pudding, the Szechuan. It's there, but it's not like hitting you in the face.
It's perfect, perfectly spiced. Well done.
Thank you. I'll take that as a compliment. So
You
go
can
on,
stay.
give it a go. Add some Szechuan to your sticky toffee pudding.